Hi everyone, I'm Mao Murakami, the founder of Sparkly Belly, and welcome to the Daria Mermaid Skirts premium course. In this special course, you'll learn to create these elegant Daria Mermaid Skirts that will make you look and feel beautiful and sophisticated on stage. First, we'll start by creating this first style featuring this beautifully fitted top section and the delicately gathered bottom section. The fitted part is carefully designed so there's no muffin top but hugs your hips well enough to accentuate your curves. The flared part has a dripped feel and a perfect volume, and it waves so gracefully as you dance in this skirt. The flare of this skirt is positioned strategically to create a balanced hourglass figure. Then we'll add to the first pattern to create the second style featuring fun double tiers for the bottom half. The bouncy layers are so sweet, and the volume of the tiers makes your hips appear smaller. You'll learn to finish the edges professionally with horsehair braid like this, which really upgrades the look of the overall skirt. For both styles, you make them to fit you very well based on your own measurements, and you can choose from a straight seam and a diagonal seam, and a high waist and a low rise. So you can mix and match the design options to create your very own Daria Mermaid Skirts. These Daria Mermaid Skirts are perfect for adding a sophisticated feel to the overall look, and you'll look and feel confident and professional in these skirts. I'm thrilled to share with you all these techniques and designs in this course.